What's up, guys? It's 2024, and everyone's looking for easy ways to make money online. Let's be real, nobody wants to work a 9 to 5 anymore. That's why I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on you. We're talking about 4 lazy, yeah, you heard me right, lazy, ways to rake in some serious cash online. We're talking $150 a day or more, people. And the best part? These methods are perfect for beginners. So, buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to upgrade your bank account. Alright, so you can string a sentence together, right? If you can, then you're already halfway there to making money online. That's basically all you need for this first method. Freelance writing. It's one of the most accessible ways to start earning money from the comfort of your own home or wherever you choose to work. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are like digital gold mines, packed with clients willing to pay you for your writing skills. These platforms connect freelancers with clients who need various types of content, from blog posts to technical writing. Don't worry, you don't need to be Shakespeare here. The demand is for clear, concise, and engaging content, not literary masterpieces. We're talking simple blog posts, product descriptions, even social media captions. These are tasks that businesses and individuals need done regularly, and they are willing to pay for it. Think about it. Businesses need this stuff all the time. Every company with an online presence needs content to engage their audience, promote their products, and improve their search engine rankings. And the best part? You can set your own rates, work whenever you want, and literally do it from anywhere in the world. Imagine working from a beach in Bali or a cozy cafe in Paris. Start by creating a profile, highlighting your skills, even if they're basic, and browsing through job postings. Make sure your profile stands out by showcasing any relevant experience and a portfolio of your work. Pick something that interests you, write a killer proposal, and boom! A well-crafted proposal can make all the difference in landing a job. Tailor each proposal to the specific job and client, showing that you understand their needs and how you can meet them. You're on your way to earning $150 a day or more. With dedication and the right approach, some freelancers even make a full-time income from writing. The key is to be consistent, keep improving your skills, and always deliver high-quality work. To get started, consider taking some online courses or reading books on writing to hone your skills. There are plenty of resources available that can help you improve your writing and understand what clients are looking for. Networking is also crucial. Join writing groups and online forums where you can connect with other writers and potential clients. Building relationships in the industry can lead to more opportunities and referrals. Managing your time effectively is another important aspect. Set up a work schedule that allows you to balance your freelance writing with other commitments. Use productivity tools to stay organized and meet deadlines. Always be open to feedback and willing to make revisions. Constructive criticism can help you improve your writing and better meet your clients' needs. The more you learn and adapt, the more successful you'll be. Freelance writing can be a rewarding and flexible career choice. It allows you to work on a variety of projects, set your own hours, and achieve your financial goals. So, grab your keyboard and start your journey to easy money today. Ever thought about designing cool t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases? Imagine turning your creative ideas into products that people love and use every day. It's not just a dream, it's a reality with print on demand. Whether you're an artist, a graphic designer, or just someone with a knack for coming up with catchy slogans, you can create a whole range of products without ever having to worry about inventory or shipping. With print on demand, you don't even need to touch inventory. Seriously, it's crazy easy. The beauty of this model is that you can focus entirely on what you do best: designing. The rest, like printing, packaging, and shipping, is handled by the print-on-demand service. This means you can run your business from anywhere in the world, whether you're at home, in a coffee shop, or even traveling. Hook up with a platform like Printful, create your designs, you can even hire someone on Fiverr for that, and you're good to go. Printful integrates seamlessly with various e-commerce platforms, making it super easy to set up your online store. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. Just upload your designs, choose the products you want to sell, and set your prices. Printful takes care of the rest. And connect your store to a marketplace like Etsy. Etsy is a fantastic platform for selling print-on-demand products because it has a huge audience of people looking for unique, handmade, and custom items. Setting up a shop on Etsy is straightforward, and you can start listing your products in no time. Plus, Etsy's search engine can help drive traffic to your store, especially if you use the right keywords and tags. Now, every time someone buys your design, Printful handles everything: the printing, the shipping, the whole shebang. You don't have to worry about a thing. Printful's automated system ensures that orders are processed quickly and efficiently, so your customers get their products on time. This leaves you free to focus on creating more designs and growing your business. You just sit back, relax, and watch the cash roll in. Imagine getting a notification on your phone every time you make a sale. It's a great feeling, knowing that your creativity is paying off. And because print-on-demand is a passive income model, you can continue to earn money even when you're not actively working. Whether you're on vacation, spending time with family, or just taking a break, your store is still making sales. The key here is to find a niche, create unique designs that people love, and stand out from the competition. Think about what interests you and what you're passionate about. Maybe it's a particular hobby, a favorite TV show, or a cause you care about. Use that as inspiration for your designs. The more specific and targeted your niche, the more likely you are to attract a loyal customer base and promote your store like crazy on social media. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching potential customers and building a community around your brand. Share your designs on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Use hashtags to increase your visibility and engage with your followers. You can also run ads to target specific audiences and drive traffic to your store. The more you promote your products, the more sales you'll make. Trust me, this is a goldmine for passive income. With a little creativity and effort, you can turn your designs into a profitable business. So why not give it a try? Start designing today and see where it takes you. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for passive income is huge. Happy designing! Okay, this one's all about sharing cool products with your audience and getting paid for it. Imagine being able to turn your passion for discovering new and exciting products into a source of income. That's the magic of affiliate marketing. It's not just about making money. It's about connecting people with products that can genuinely improve their lives. Whether you're into tech gadgets, fashion, beauty products, or even niche hobbies, there's an affiliate program out there for you. Affiliate marketing is like being a digital salesperson, but way cooler. Instead of going door to door or making cold calls, you get to use the power of the internet to reach a global audience. You can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and build a business that aligns with your personal interests and expertise. Plus, you don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or customer service. Your main job is to create compelling content that drives traffic to your affiliate links. Find products you love. Sign up for their affiliate program. Amazon Associates is a great place to start. And share your unique affiliate link with your followers. It's important to choose products that you genuinely believe in and that resonate with your audience. When you promote products that you are passionate about, your enthusiasm will shine through in your content, making it more engaging and persuasive. Don't be afraid to get creative with how you share your links. You can include them in blog posts, social media updates, email newsletters, and even YouTube videos. Every time someone buys through your link, boom, commission. It's a fantastic feeling to see those earnings roll in, especially when you know that you're helping people find products they'll love. The amount you earn can vary depending on the product and the affiliate program. But with dedication and smart strategies, you can build a steady stream of passive income. Keep track of your performance, analyze what works and what doesn't, and continuously refine your approach to maximize your earnings. The key here is to be genuine, recommend products you actually believe in, and provide value to your audience. Authenticity is crucial in affiliate marketing. Your audience trusts you, and that trust is the foundation of your success. Share your honest opinions, provide detailed reviews, and offer helpful tips and insights. The more value you provide, the more likely your audience is to make a purchase through your links. Remember, it's not just about making a quick buck. It's about building long-term relationships with your audience. Don't just spam links everywhere. Spamming can damage your reputation and annoy your audience. Instead, focus on creating high-quality content that naturally incorporates your affiliate links. Think about what your audience needs and how you can help them. Whether it's a comprehensive guide, a step-by-step tutorial, or an in-depth review, make sure your content is informative, engaging, and relevant. Quality over quantity is the name of the game. Create engaging content, reviews, tutorials, whatever works for your niche, and watch those affiliate sales skyrocket. Experiment with different types of content to see what resonates most with your audience. Videos, blog posts, social media updates, podcasts. The possibilities are endless. Stay consistent, keep learning, and don't be afraid to try new things. With time, effort, and a genuine passion for what you do, you can turn affiliate marketing into a rewarding and profitable venture. So get out there, start sharing, and watch your affiliate marketing journey take off. Let's be real, everyone has opinions, right? Well, guess what? Companies will actually pay you for them. Online surveys and market research platforms are like digital focus groups where you get paid to share your thoughts on products, services, and even current events. Platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research offer a ton of paid surveys every day. It's not going to make you rich, but it's an easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Just sign up, fill out your profile, and start taking surveys. You can even do it while watching TV. So there you have it, folks. 4 lazy ways to make some serious cash online in 2024. No more excuses, guys. Pick a method, put in a little effort, I'm talking like an hour a day max, and watch your bank account grow. And hey, if you make it big, don't forget about the guy who gave you the inside scoop. Just kidding. Seriously though, get out there, hustle, and make it happen. Peace.